am really excited about this one. Saw this online, had to have it, love massages, and something that you can do at home. Say you want to massage your leg or you want to get your significant other to give you a back massage. This is the UMAID Himalayan salt balls. It comes in its own bowl that lights up. It's got like this wood base. I'm really excited about this. I'm excited to try it, but for right now, let's get it open and see how it looks because I'm excited to see how it looks. Nicely packed. Just bought these knives too on Amazon. They're so great. Ooh, this is so cool. The instructions for this natural Himalayan salt balls. So exciting. Let's get them out of this plastic. So just carefully, make sure you don't do it, cut out towards things so you don't wreck them. This is really nice. And this is, I have to say, solid. It is heavy. So these are the salt balls themselves, which are really beautiful color too. And they basically are removable. They sit around and on top of this light so that, watch this, when we plug it in, look at this glow that it has. So not only is it a beautiful piece that can sit on your desk or in your bathroom, it warms the balls as it's glowing, so you can use these for your massage. I can already actually start to feel them getting a little bit warm. So I'm finding this to be very beautiful. And as you can see, there is a switch here. So it's dimmable. You can make it brighter or more dim for whatever room you're in. But it's definitely very relaxing. The salt is, something that has therapeutic purposes that, are great for your body. So when you're, massaging when they're all warm, it's going to be great. So, when it's sitting out, it looks beautiful. And then, it has benefits as well.